Tired of sunscreens that feel heavy, greasy, and leave you looking like a ghost? Today, we're putting the Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Sunscreen to the test. Why does it live up to the hype? I'll give you an honest review in just a minute and a half. First impressions. Why the texture? It's lightweight, almost a lotion consistency. That's a good sign. Many sunscreens are too thick. Let's see how it applies. I'm applying it to my entire face, paying attention to the frequently sun-exposed areas like my forehead, nose, and cheeks. Notice how easily it's spreading, no tugging or pulling. Okay, initial application done. Now, the big question, the white cast. On the left, you see right after applying. On the right, a few minutes later. Notice how it's practically disappeared. And the feel, it's surprisingly non-greasy. My skin actually feels hydrated. Some sunscreens make my skin feel like an oil slick. Now, for the effectiveness. I've been using this for 2 weeks, and I haven't gotten any sunburn, even on days I was outside for extended periods. Remember to reapply every 2 hours, especially after swimming or sweating. The pros: it's lightweight, has minimal white cast, feels hydrating, and provides effective sun protection. One con: the fragrance. It's strongly citrusy. If you're sensitive to scents, this might not be for you. Overall, I'm impressed. For the price point and performance, I'd recommend giving the Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Sunscreen a try. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest beauty reviews.